Welcome back to Trend Cars, the place where the future of automotive luxury, design, and innovation comes alive. If you're passionate about groundbreaking vehicles that redefine what's possible, you're in the right spot. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, something so unexpected and bold that it feels like a glimpse into a future where elegance meets adventure. Yes, we're talking about the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a vehicle that is set to rewrite the definition of luxury travel on wheels. Buckle up, because this isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling palace, a symbol of opulence, and perhaps one of the boldest projects Rolls-Royce has ever dared to imagine. Now when you think of Rolls-Royce, your mind immediately goes to iconic sedans like the Phantom or the Ghost, or maybe the Cullinan SUV, all of which are renowned for their craftsmanship, silent power, and unmatched presence. But imagine all of those qualities, combined with the spirit of freedom and exploration, seamlessly merged into a motorhome that feels more like a five-star hotel than a recreational vehicle. That's exactly what the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome promises. Let's start by picturing the exterior. Rolls-Royce has never been about sharp angles or wild design gimmicks. Instead, it's about timeless beauty, flowing lines, and presence that makes you pause. The motorhome carries this DNA to perfection. Its sheer size is commanding, yet it looks graceful, with the classic Rolls-Royce grille standing tall at the front, complete with the spirit of ecstasy ornament gliding proudly. The LED headlamps are sleek, futuristic, and adaptive, almost giving the impression of eyes that follow the road with intelligence. Side panels feature smooth, polished surfaces, flowing curves, and subtle chrome accents that shimmer like jewelry. To top it all off, the roofline is designed with aerodynamic efficiency, ensuring that even with its large stature, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome cuts through air quietly and effortlessly. But what truly sets it apart is the attention to details. Imagine stepping closer and noticing retractable side steps that illuminate as you approach. The door handles are flush, but glow softly when the vehicle senses your presence. And when the side slide-outs expand at the push of a button, the motorhome almost transforms into a rolling mansion, creating more space inside while still looking elegant from the outside. The wheels are massive, multi-spoke alloys, hand-polished and adorned with the self-writing Rolls-Royce emblem that never spins. It's a vehicle designed not just to move you, but to announce you've arrived. Under the hood, or should I say beneath its body, lies a powertrain that balances strength and sustainability. Rolls-Royce is pushing towards electrification, and the motorhome follows this path with a hybrid system blending an advanced V12 with electric motors, delivering near-silent operation and instant torque. For long journeys, the hybrid setup ensures efficiency, while the battery-only mode provides a serene, zero-emission glide perfect for cityscapes or nature retreats. The motorhome also features solar panels integrated into the roof, constantly replenishing onboard energy reserves to power the luxurious living quarters inside. The result is a machine that can cross continents while maintaining that signature Rolls-Royce whisper quiet ride. And now, the moment everyone has been waiting for, the interior. Step inside, and it feels like entering another dimension. Rolls-Royce interiors are already world-renowned, but here they've outdone themselves. The cabin greets you with handcrafted leather seating in creamy tones, soft underlighting that feels like moonlight, and wood veneers polished to a mirror finish. Every material inside is chosen for its beauty and durability, from lambswool carpets to crystal controls that sparkle at your fingertips. The seating isn't just about comfort, it's about relaxation at a level you didn't think possible. Each chair is heated, cooled, massaging, and fully reclining, with extendable footrests and personalized settings for each occupant. The driver's cockpit is futuristic yet unmistakably Rolls-Royce. The steering wheel is wrapped in the finest leather, the displays are crisp OLED panels with AI assistance, and the cabin offers augmented reality navigation that projects onto the windshield. But what makes this motorhome unique is that driving feels optional. Activate autonomous driving mode, and the Rolls-Royce takes over, smoothly guiding you while you relax and enjoy the journey. Moving further back, the living quarters are a masterpiece. Imagine a lounge area with sofas upholstered in silk blends, a fold-out dining table crafted from rare wood, and a full entertainment system that includes a massive OLED wall display with immersive surround sound. There's a kitchenette with high-end appliances that fold away seamlessly when not in use, including an induction stove, hidden refrigerator, and even a wine cooler. Rolls-Royce wanted this motorhome to feel less like camping and more like bringing a luxury suite wherever you go. The bedroom is a sanctuary. A king-size bed with memory foam and premium linens dominates the space, surrounded by soft ambient lighting that mimics the natural rhythms of day and night to help you rest better. Large panoramic windows with electrochromic glass allow you to adjust the tint for privacy or let in sweeping views of your surroundings. And for those who value relaxation, the bathroom is a spa-like retreat. Imagine a rainfall shower with customizable lighting, heated marble floors, and even a small soaking tub. It's the kind of experience that makes hotels feel outdated. Technology doesn't stop at entertainment and comfort. The Rolls-Royce Motorhome is packed with smart systems. Voice-activated controls allow you to adjust climate, lighting, and shades with a single command. AI learns your preferences over time, tailoring everything from seat positions to preferred scents diffused through the air. Yes, Rolls-Royce even includes signature fragrances for the cabin. The security system is equally advanced, with biometric access, 360-degree surveillance, and autonomous parking that can position the motorhome perfectly in even the tightest spots. Of course, none of this would matter if it didn't feel like a Rolls-Royce on the road. Thankfully, the brand's legendary Magic Carpet ride has been enhanced here with adaptive suspension that scans the road ahead and adjusts in real time. Even on rough terrain, the motorhome glides smoothly, isolating passengers from vibrations and noise. The silence inside is so profound that you can whisper across the cabin while cruising at highway speeds. But perhaps the most revolutionary part of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome isn't the luxury or the technology, but the philosophy behind it. This is more than a vehicle, it's a statement that freedom and luxury no longer have to be separate worlds. It proves that exploration doesn't have to mean compromise, that you can enjoy nature and adventure without leaving behind the refinement of the highest levels of craftsmanship. It's an answer to the modern traveler's dream: go anywhere, but never sacrifice comfort. So what does all of this mean for the future? The Rolls-Royce Motorhome shows us that mobility is evolving. No longer are vehicles just about getting from one point to another. They're about living experiences, creating memories, and expanding what we thought was possible. For Rolls-Royce, this isn't just about keeping up with trends, it's about setting the standard for the ultimate in rolling luxury. Whether this motorhome becomes a limited production reality or remains a concept, it's undeniable that it has captured imaginations worldwide. It sparks conversations about how we define luxury in the future and what we expect from the vehicles that carry us through life's journeys. So picture this. You're on the open road, the horizon stretching endlessly ahead. Behind you is not just a vehicle, but a sanctuary of elegance, a place where every detail has been crafted to perfection. That is the promise of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. A promise that luxury and freedom can coexist, beautifully, effortlessly, and unapologetically. Thanks for joining us today as we explored this incredible vision of the future. If you're excited by what Rolls-Royce is doing and want to stay updated on more groundbreaking vehicles that are reshaping the way we think about cars, don't forget to stick around because we're just getting started here on Trend Cars.